glare from the window.
Oh, he's so cute. He's bring my bow and see if I can get because he's precious. Get that, Mark. Is that what you got for birthday? Oh, no, I got.
So something's gonna fall on top and it's supposed to make it move? Is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah, they wanted the box. Go, make it go. Come on, Snake. I think it's a little crooked. Yeah, supposed to do that?
Oh, there's a little needle on the end. Okay.
Yeah, Snake back. What do you need to check?
I just didn't hit it quite the right way.
Yeah, I look 5 marbles.
Ooh. Yeah, this looks cool. And you know, if this doesn't work, you can always cut the track shorter too. Like if it ends up being that the track is too long, like if the marble doesn't travel the whole way, you can cut it.
You have scissors to cut it?
Yep.
So let's try it out first.
Yeah. Oh no. I'm saying after you test it.
Don't put them down. We're looking too hard. Come on, Snake Bite. The cheap one. Okay, ready? Okay, come on, Snake Bite. Snake Bite the worst.
It's still.
No, stupid.
So what did you guys like about this project?
Oh, I like that we had fun and the snake bite refused to work then. It was really fun.
What worked well with your project? What actually worked?
The marble, like the dominoes, how they hit the pencil, but at the end it wouldn't work. Yeah, then at first we weren't trying it out, but then I got snake bite got lazy.
What would you have? What would you have done if you had more time to improve it?
I would have probably gotten a sturdier needle.
Sturdier needle.
That would be better.
Okay. Cool.